Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Android icons without actually installing any launchers. So this was requested by a comment in the previous video where I have shown you how to actually change icons with installing the launcher. But in this video we're simply going to change icons and we're not going to install any launchers. So the only thing that is going to change on your home screen is the icons itself. So simply go to the Play Store and you're going to download an application called X Icon Changer, and the Aster Play is the developer, so let's simply install it. And basically how it works is it's actually creating a shortcut to the application with the customized icons. So you actually, when you click on shortcut the shortcut is going to open up the application, so you're not going to open up the application directly, but it's going to be literally the same thing. So let's open up this software here, and it's going to have some ads because it's a free software, I guess. So I guess it's worth it because it gets the job done without actually needing to install any launchers. So first of all, the very first thing is actually selecting the application that you want to change the icon for. So let's go for this game actually, and first of all you can actually pick an icon from some of the applications, some of the icons like default icons from this application offers, but I cannot say they're boring, but they do not suit this application well. So you can actually toggle between different themes here, but if you really don't find any, you can simply go and install another icon pack. So let me show you how to do it. First, go to Play Store again and search for icon pack. Okay. Now simply you can here you can see all the icon packs, and you can literally go one by one and actually search for the icon pack that you like. So let's say I like this one. Let's say, and you can like look at those images, and if you like it, you can simply install it. And you can also go and minimalist and maybe like this one and you install it. I actually like the previous one more. So let's just wait for it to install, and I'm going to show you how to import it into the application that we have previously installed. So as soon as it's installed, we don't really have to open it up. Just close the Play Store and go to plus sign on the bottom left. Now here go to third party, and you can actually see the icon pack here. So just tap on it and press import button. To perform this, you actually need to watch a quick video. There's nothing I can do about this really. Okay, so we have imported this icon pack, and the next step is actually press use icons, and we can actually see it in the library now, which we didn't see before. So now we can literally just move this left and right and find an icon that suits this application. So this icon pack has almost 6,000 icons, so it's going to really be hard, but yeah, you actually let's just simply pick any icon. So let's use this yellow one because it kind of suits the application, and that's pretty much it. Now what you can also do is actually rename the application. So let's say my game, something like that. Press OK, and it's going to change. Okay, so now it's going to ask you if you want to add this shortcut to your home screen. So simply press add, and now if you go back, you can actually see the icon here, and you can move it and you can do whatever you want with it. Now you can also see the name that is renamed, but if you actually open it up, it's going to open up the real application, which I'm going to close now because let's just not look on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now what is also interesting is that we have the original icon here, the application. So if you open it up too, we're going to see the same game. So what you can also do is simply maybe like add a folder and just store all those icons that you change, like the original ones, into that folder so it's not visible, and you can simply keep these fresh new icons somewhere on your screen. So as you can see, literally nothing has changed on my home screen except the application itself. So you can repeat this step with as many applications as you want. The only issue is not issue, but the only like obstacle, let's call it like that, are those ads which are kind of boring. So let's try with camera this time. So we're going to pick this icon from the library, press OK. It's going to change the icon, it's going to show an advertisement again. Okay. Let's wait for it to finish. And add to home screen. So now if you go back, we can actually see the camera here. And we can open up the camera. I'm going to open up the camera. But yeah, so you can also like just simply remove those shortcuts. You're not going to remove the application itself. As you can see, I still have the camera and the game itself. So that's pretty much it. I will leave a link for both this icon changer and the icon pack that I have used in this video, which you can also use to change your own icons. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this solves the issue of launcher if you want to change your icons without actually changing or installing your launcher. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and see you in the next one.